ingredients you will need: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, malunggay, 1 teaspoon of all-in-one seasoning, a pinch of salt, and 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds.
So, first things first, we need malunggay. You need to wash it first though. Then, you need to get all the leaves. So, that's what I'm gonna do now.
And now we are going to chop the malunggay.
Okay, now we're done, so we're just going to put it here. And now we are going to mix all of our dry ingredients. So we have flour. So we have flour first. We're gonna get 2 cups of flour. 1 cup. Now we are going to put our sesame seeds, our salt, and our all-in-one seasoning. And then we are going to combine it. So we're going to combine all of the dry ingredients. So now we are going to put our malunggay. We're going to put it this way. And now we are going to put 1 cup of water. So here. And now we are going to fold it in and mix it all together. So like this. So we are just going to go to this stove. So let's go.
Let's put oil. And now let's wait until the oil is hot. When the oil is already hot, you can apply the batter onto the oil and fry it. Next is to flip it when it's already golden brown. When it's already evenly golden brown, you can take it out.
Now it's ready.
And this is the final product. This is so yummy and so healthy. This is very, very, very important hack to all those healthy people. So, hope you guys enjoyed. And for today's shout out, it goes to my Tita Myrna and my Tito Vic. Thank you for supporting me. Hope you like this video.